Hello children, as we know that for learning grammar, parts of speech play an important role in our life. So let's go to see parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech. Names are noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, conjunction, preposition, interjection. First of all, we study about noun. What is noun? Noun is the name of any person, place or thing. जो शब्द किसी व्यक्ति, वस्तु या स्थान का बोध कराते हैं उसे हम नाउन कहते हैं. एग्जाम्पल person, examples of person, Mohan and Radha. Examples of place, Mandsaur, Indore and Subhash English School is also place. Thing, examples of thing, watch, duster and pen. So do you know children how many types of noun? There are 5 types of noun. Proper noun, common noun, material noun, collective noun and abstract noun. First of all, we will study about proper noun. What is proper noun? A particular name of any person, place or thing is called proper noun. किसी particular व्यक्ति, वस्तु या स्थान को हम proper noun कहते हैं. No one is like proper noun. If we take examples of ourselves, so no one is like me. And children, no one is like you. So you and I are proper noun. One more example of proper noun. Is any other city like Mandsaur? No. So Mandsaur is a proper noun. Is any other school like Subhash English School? No. So Subhash English School is also proper noun. So children, we have studied here that proper noun is a particular person, place or thing. Now we are studying about common noun. What is common noun? A common noun is a name given in common to every person or thing of the same class or kind. जिन शब्दों के द्वारा सामान्य व्यक्तियों, स्थानों या वस्तुओं का बोध होता है उन्हें हम कॉमन नाउन कहते हैं. एग्जाम्पल्स country, boy, girl, etc. Now I am giving you examples of proper and common noun. Proper noun: Mohan, Radha, India, Jaipur, Delhi, English and Hindi. Common noun: boy, girl, man, woman, city, car and book. Now we are studying about material noun. What is material noun? A material noun is usually the name of matter or element in its state. जिन शब्दों से किसी पदार्थ, धातु या खनिज का नाम मालूम हो उसे हम मटीरियल नाउन कहते हैं. Examples of material noun: gold. What can we make with gold? Ornaments. Silver. What can we make with silver? Ornaments, jewelry and coins also. Iron. What can we make with iron? Chair, table, almirah, etc. What can we make with plastic? Toys, chairs, table, etc. So gold, silver, iron, plastic, all are material noun. So children, besides this, some more examples of material nouns are copper, steel and aluminium. Now we are doing collective noun. What is collective noun? A collective noun is the name of a number of persons or things taken together and spoken of us as a whole. जिन शब्दों को पढ़ने से किसी समूह का बोध हो ऐसे शब्द कलेक्टिव नाउन कहलाते हैं. Examples of collective noun: shoal of fish, army of ant, army of soldier, herd of elephant, basket of fruit and bunch of grapes, etc. One more thing students, when common noun comes together, they are called कलेक्टिव नाउन। जब कॉमन नाउन समूह में आते हैं तो उन्हें हम कलेक्टिव नाउन कहते हैं। एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ कॉमन एंड कलेक्टिव नाउन। कॉमन नाउन, कलेक्टिव नाउन। टीचर्स, स्टाफ, members, family, students, class. So students, teachers are common noun. So जब सारे टीचर्स मिलते हैं तो वो क्या बनाते हैं? स्टाफ। When all members are together, then what do they make? Family. And students, class. So we have studied here collective nouns. Now we are studying about abstract noun. What is abstract noun? An abstract noun is usually the name of a quality, action or state considered apart from the object to which it belongs. जिस शब्द के द्वारा किसी गुण, दोष, दया या दशा की भावना को प्रकट किया जाता है उसे हम abstract noun कहते हैं। Examples: quality, goodness, kindness, honesty and wit. Action: laughter, theft, hatred and judgment. State: childhood, boyhood, youth, death and poverty. So children, here we completed noun part, and whatever we have studied in the whole lesson, you all have to revise it. And in the next video, we will study about pronoun. So take care students and have a good day.